Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. In this channel, on one hand, we talk about premium, top quality, durable jump ropes like cross rope, and also we talk about affordable, good quality, durable jump ropes. In today's video, we'll be talking about one such affordable, good quality, durable jump rope. Actually, not one, we'll be talking about two jump ropes. Along with affordable, I have added quality and durability because I've used this rope 3 years back and I have made a video also on this rope. This is the BOLDFIT skipping rope. Affordable, good quality and durable. The rope I bought 3 years back is the same rope except for one small difference. The rope I bought 3 years back, the rope was red in color, everything else remains the same. In fact, I'll link the video of that rope somewhere here. Do check it out in case you haven't seen it. So recently, when I saw the combo deal on Amazon for two BOLDFIT jump ropes for 199 rupees, I didn't think much. I went ahead and placed the order and the order got delivered in 2 days' time. There's nothing much to talk about this jump rope except say that this is a simple yet affordable and durable jump rope. There are only 3 parts in this jump rope. 1, as you can see, is the handle. 2, the PVC rope. And 3, the plastic stoppers which are there to adjust the rope length. In fact, yes, there's a 4th part, which is the spring. Coming to the spring, you know why the spring is there. This is the point, the middle of the rope, which keeps coming in contact with the ground when we are jumping, and it leads to wear and tear of that point in the jump rope. So the spring helps you to protect that point in the jump rope and possibly extend the life of the jump rope. There's only one word of caution I would like to share with you. Because the spring is there, it is always recommended that you jump with your shoes on. Taking a whack with the spring on the toes can be very painful, which I have experienced before. Anyways, coming back to the price of this rope, which is about 100 rupees or less than 100 rupees per rope, I think it's a fantastic and an honest price for this rope. And I appreciate the company BOLDFIT for keeping the prices at this price point. Well done. Keep it up, BOLDFIT. So what is left now? Let us go and jump. There you have it, friends. That is the BOLDFIT jump rope, an affordable, good quality, durable jump rope for daily use. And friends, I have no affiliation with the company BOLDFIT. As is the practice with the channel, I share with you my views on products I personally use and I like, so that it helps you in your purchase decision. I hope you liked the video. Do leave your comments, questions, feedback in the comment section. I look forward to reading and replying to them. Till I see you in the next video, enjoy your jumps. Take care. Bye-bye.